Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the max tier of hybrid. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we gotta draw in the area right above the eyes first. So this is gonna be part of, part of the horn. Let's draw two lines like this first and then go up on each side. Okay, so it's almost like two little check marks. And then to draw his eye, it's just gonna be right on the corner here. Just gonna draw a little curve. So this one's easy. Alright, so once we have that, we're gonna come down and draw his nostril. So right underneath here, just gonna draw two little circles like that, or ovals. And then now we're gonna draw in his mouth. So it's gonna be, he's got a big grin, so come down to the center here. Just gonna draw a line first. And then on this side, we're just gonna go up toward the eye. And then now we're gonna draw the mouth. It's kind of open. So it just come down the side here. And then we'll just follow it, the same line on top. Just go all the way around. Alright, and then once we have that, we can draw in some of his fangs and teeth. So I'm going to start on the corner here. I'm just going to draw one more here. And then in the middle here, let's draw a little V shape and then just go across all the way to the other side. So it's going to be 3 on top and bottom. Okay, so that's the facial features, and now let's fill in the rest of the head. So he's got these two little, I don't know what to call them, these horns or spikes. So on the side here, on the middle, we're just gonna go up. Just come across. And then we're gonna come back down to this corner here. Alright, and then from this corner here, now we're gonna draw in the rest of the face. Just come down, slant it down to the side, and then we're gonna come back all the way to the center and close everything off. And then let's come up here, top of the head. Alright, so if you want to make it look a little bit meaner here, we're gonna draw one more curve from this corner here. Just kind of curve it up. Okay, just a little bit more sinister looking. Alright, so that's the head, and let's move on to the body. Okay, so the body here, shoulders, go out. And then it's got a huge shoulder pad here, so we're gonna come down and draw in the his waistline first, his body here. So give a little space, just come down on each side, and then we'll pinch it all the way down to his waist. Now come in the middle here, we're gonna draw a little, kind of like a diamond shape. It's gonna be for his belt. And then on this side here, we're just gonna go up to the corner. On this side, this is gonna be one of the straps on the belt. And then same thing on the other side. Let's go up to the corners. Okay, and on the bottom here, just come out to the edge, side of the waist. Alright, and then we're gonna add one more detail. Just got this tummy area right here. Let's draw two lines like this first, and just come in toward the center and close everything off. Alright, and then we can add in, alright, let's just add in this, just come back up here. Let's add two more lines, same as this. It's got a little bit of detail. Alright, so now let's draw in the part of his arm now. So he's got a big shoulder pad on this side. So I'm gonna go all the way out. Come back here. Just curve it out. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw in his arm. So here's his armpit. Come down. This is gonna be his bicep. Little bracket. Lower arm, we're gonna flare out right around here. And we can close this off. Curve, and this one's gonna be almost straight down. Close it off. And then for his hand, just come down. And this one's gonna come out more. And we'll just close that off first. And then here's his thumb. And then for his other fingers, we're gonna start here. So just go 1, 2, and then a little bit of a hook. And then to finish that off, start on the back here. Just kind of follow the same line. Just close it and make it nice and sharp. And then for his other finger, we'll just add a little bit of a corner there. Alright, and then the little details here. One line in the center, go out. And it's got those two little spikes here. Just two lines and then just close it. And then one more. Alright, so I know there's a little bit more detail, but let's work on the other arms first. Okay, so here, come across, here's the armpit. Shoulder. So this one's not as wide because this one's it's got a big shoulder pad here. Okay, so bicep, curve, little bracket, flare out, curve. This one's almost straight down. Close it. And this side's a little bit different. So we're gonna come down. Little angle, and here's his thumb. And then for the palm, we're gonna slant down. And then here's the back of the hand. And now we can draw in the finger. So same thing here, 1, 2, and then just a little bit of a hook. And then on the back here, we'll just close everything off, make it nice and sharp. And then one little finger detail here. Alright, so now we can add in the details here. Let's see, he's got one strap here, so these are really easy. And then right on the angle here, this little turn, just gotta add a little bit of strap as well. And then it's got those two spikes here. So we just curve it out and then come back in. Okay, so this one's gonna be straight. Then we'll curve this one. Okay, and then for the details in here, he's got another strap in here. Just gonna be behind the little shoulder pad there. And then for the shoulder pad, we can add a little bit of detail. Just draw another line. And then let's see, let's add a little bit of detail to the strap here. Just two lines there. And then to continue with this line here on his body, just start here and just go up toward the armpit area. Just curve it out. All right, so it's a little bit complicated. It's got a lot of stuff going on in his body. And if you want to add in the little ninja star here, we'll draw a little circle first, and then we'll just draw all the angle. So sometimes it's easier to draw the opposite ends first, and then just connect those. Just draw one more. So we just have to erase out that little line there. Alright, so let's move on down to the lower body. So the lower body is a little bit easier. So in the center, let's draw a little line. Come back up here. So come out. Come back in here, down and bracket in. And then for his knee, it's a little bracket. Okay, and then let's work on the other side first. So same thing, come out, turn it, down, And for his knee, same thing, just bracket. Alright, so now for the lower legs, we'll just flare it out. And let's just close it. Inside here, turn. This one's almost straight down. Close it. And then for his foot, turn it. And then this one's gonna go out. Close it. And then for the claw, I'm just gonna add one here. So just draw like a little loop, just make it sharp. Actually, let's add in another claw so that it doesn't look as funny. So another loop, another angle. Alright, so the other side is gonna be pretty much the same. So we're gonna flare out, close it off, and then this one's gonna turn straight down, close it, come down, and this one's gonna go out more. And then same thing here, let's just add two little curves like this, and then we'll add a little triangle on the bottom. Alright, and then to finish up the details here, he's got two straps. So that's 1, 2. He's got a little pouch on the side, so it just come out, curve it, and just come back in. And that is it for this hybrid. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.